So this is my V-twin racing mower. Used to be a Briggs brakes and scrap 'em engine on there. As you can see, I called it that because two of them broke on me. The head gaskets are gone, or the head is wrapped, and I didn't want to deal with that because I don't got too much time on my hands to deal with that. So I just slapped a V-twin in there. Out of that right there. Yep. I'm gonna put another engine on there, put another tranny on there and sell it. Don't worry about it. I got them brand new lights on there yesterday, and got some lights inside the hood as well. I 3D printed these covers right here. Also got me a little control panel right here so I can turn them on and off. Probably not the best place to put it. I shouldn't put it in that hole right there. Drill the bolt. I also 3D printed a little choke sign right there for no reason. I noticed my choke. But yeah, if I start this thing, the amp meter goes all the way down, and that's because of these lights. So I'm gonna need a new fuse because I know the other one up in there is just about done. My lights are working right now, and so I'm finna get on it and drive it just to show y'all how much of a beast I've actually built. Alrighty. Alright, let's go. Just a quick little talk here. My brother just blew his engine today. He was at like, I don't know, 5,800 RPM in like third gear. He didn't even know his shift because my exhaust was too loud, and he didn't know his RPM was that high, and he broke his engine. So I'm getting him a Kohler 27 horse soon here, and yeah, that's gonna be that. I'm about to go back down this road down here, crank this thing up. That's the 23 horsepower Kawasaki. Here go my brake. Calm down, man. Chill. Chill, I'm trying to take a shot. Get off of me. Chill.